Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are about to do our roll and color apple page. This is inside your fish folder, and it's probably behind a school bus roll and color page. So if you could get this one, that would be great. It's a school bus on the front of it, and then behind that is going to be this roll and color. It will be in that same plastic sleeve. So you'll need your roll and color. You will need a pencil, you will need crayons, and you will need a die. One of these is called a die, more than one is called dice. So you will need only one die. And this was in your big baggie with all of your stuff inside it. Okay, it had your crayons in it, it had your Play-Doh in it. It was a big baggie. Okay. So that's what you need: a die, a pencil, crayons, and your apple rolling color. Okay, so if you want to push pause and get those things, you can do that. Okay, here is how we are going to do that. Mrs. Hensley is going to put the camera on. I have mine upside down so you can see it, but typically you would have it like this towards you. Okay. But I am turning mine around just so you guys can see it, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do first thing is write my name on my paper. And I'm writing upside down. Write as neatly as you can. You won't be writing upside down. Mrs. Hensley is writing upside down so you can see my paper. Okay. I wrote Mrs. Hensley. It's probably a little bit hard for you to see. I wrote Mrs. Hensley right there on my paper, okay? Okay, let me show you what you're going to do. You have your die. You're going to roll it. I rolled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you might know that that is 5, okay? So I'm going to find my 5 apple. And I'm going to color it red because that's what color this apple is going to be. Okay, so I'm going to color my red apple. I'm not cutting this out, so I have to kind of stay in the lines, try to color my best. What you're trying to do, and I'll tell you in just a minute, it'll make more sense in just a little bit. I'll tell you what we're going to. I have a challenge for you, but I will tell you that in just a moment. Okay. And you can go back and color the leaf and the stem later if you want. Okay. So I'm going to roll my die again. I got a 1. Do I have a 1 on here? A 1 apple? Yes, I do, right here. And I'm going to color that one green. Okay, you're coloring the apples the color that they're supposed to be. Don't want to show any white. Okay, no white. And since I have my green crayon out, I'm going to go ahead and color these. Later I can get my brown and color my stems. Okay? Okay. Then I'm going to roll my die again. I got 2. So this time I'm going to color, where's my 2? 2 right here. Do you see that 2? I'm going to color that apple yellow. You see how Mrs. Hensley is tracing it to color it to help me stay in the lines. Yellow is a little bit more difficult to see. That's okay. A little bit more difficult to see if you're leaving white spots or not. And Mrs. Hensley is not coloring her best because I'm trying not to take that time. Okay? Okay, let's roll the die again. 1. Do I have any other 1s that are not colored? No. So, guess what I have to do? Mrs. Hensley is going to, down here on the bottom, actually, let's just do it up here. No, let's do it on the bottom. Okay, down here I'm going to put a tally. 1 tally. Okay, that's just 1 straight line right there. Now, this is my goal. I want to see if I can get all of my apples colored before I get 10 tally marks. Okay, so we want to get all of our apples colored before we get 10 tally marks. Okay, no cheating. Let's see. 3. Do I have a 3 that needs to be colored? Yes, I do. So let me get my red crayon. And color my 3 apple. I'm trying to get all of my apples colored before I get 10 tally marks. I hope I can do it. I'm going to win the challenge. And it's okay if I don't win the challenge, right? It's okay. It's just for fun. Okay. I only need to roll a 6 and a 4. Let's see if we can do it. 3. Oh, my 3 is already colored, so I need to add a tally down here. 1, 2. I have 2 tallies. Here we go. Let's roll again. 2. Oh, I don't have a 2 to color, so I have to put another tally. Oh my goodness, I just need a 6 and 4. Please, 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 please. 5. My 5 is already colored. Tally. I have 4 tallies. 2. 2. Another tally, and Mrs. Hensley is going to make it to where we have 5. This is how she does it on the number of days chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you put 5 across, okay? Okay, let's see. Oh, come on, we've got to do this. 5. Oh my goodness. Finger space. Another tally. Oh, we've got to get all of them colored before we get to 10. Look what we got. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! So I'm going to color this one green. This is fun. My roll and color page. Color my 6. Now all I have to do is try to get a 4. Mrs. Hensley's favorite number. What's your favorite number? Mrs. Hensley's favorite number is 4 or 44 or 444. Anything that has a 4. Well, I really like all 4s. Just 4. Just 4. Okay. I can color this while I have my green out. This while I have my green out. And hopefully I'll get to color my number 4. Let's see. 1. I have to put a tally. Tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, when I get to 10, I need to try to get my 4 colored before I get 10 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 4. 4, please, 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 please. Oh, I forgot my tally mark. 2. Another tally mark. Oh my goodness. 1 more tally mark and I'll be at 10. I just need a 4. 3. Oh, I didn't get to color them, did I? I didn't get to color them before I had 10 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so I have to leave my 4 blank because I didn't get it colored, did I? So Mrs. Hensley is going to get my brown. Oh, Mrs. Hensley, that's purple, silly. And I'm going to color all my stems. I don't get to color number 4 because I did not roll a 4. That's why I said no cheating. This is just for fun, friends. Just for fun. And if you want to color the girl right here, having her little basket of apples, you can color that too, okay? And if you want to outline your frame here, you can do that. You don't have to, but you can for fun. Mrs. Hensley's going to. I'm also going to outline this frame, but I'm going to make sure that it does not cover up my tallies. I have 10 tallies, so since I have 10 tallies, I didn't get to keep rolling for a 4, did I? That stinks, but that's okay. That's okay. It was fun rolling my tallies. Okay, so that is Mrs. Hensley's, and I'm all finished. And I know my 4 is not colored, but my 4 is not colored because I got 10 tallies. And once I got 10 tallies, I'm done. Okay? So every time you roll a number that you've already colored, you put a tally. Okay? And the goal is to try to get all of your apples colored with that number when you roll the dice before you get 10 tally marks. And if you don't, that's okay. If you get, like I did, Mrs. Hensley didn't get all of hers colored before she got to 10 tallies. Okay? Now that you've done this, now that we finished this, and like I said, you can color your girl if you want with the basket of apples. Make sure your name's at the top. Take a picture. Well, hit the add response button. Take a picture and send it to Mrs. Hensley. Don't forget to click that check mark, okay? Have fun playing your roll and color apple game. And Mrs. Hensley cannot wait to see if you beat the game. Okay, Mrs. Hensley didn't. I had a 4 that I needed to roll, and I got 10 tally marks before I could color my 4, and that's okay. You try to do the same thing. You try to get all of yours colored. Try to roll the same numbers, all of these, and maybe you'll get to color your 4. Think of Mrs. Hensley when you're coloring your 4, because I didn't get to color my 4 because I had 10 tally marks. So remember, can you get all your apples colored before you get 10 tally marks? Let's see if you can do it. No cheating. No saying you rolled it and you really didn't. Mrs. Hensley didn't do that. You see, I didn't get a 4. Okay? You guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Have fun playing your roll and color apple game. Bye, friends.